I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what just happened. Weird. I think I'm just gonna get a desktop. Laptops, I don't know anymore. That's weird. Like I said, when I come home, like, when I go work, I'm gonna have to shut it off and then still and not leave it on. I got the habit not turn it off. Weird. I'm gonna try this again, guys. So yeah, anyways, what I'm saying, I guess I'm gonna have to get my own bed and the all this furniture I had to take it with me too. Say next Sunday, yeah, this Sunday I'm gonna have to make the strings. All I had to do put the strings in it and then put it on my Christmas tree. Ooh, I love it. And by the way, my mom loves butterflies. I love butterflies too. They are pretty. They really are. All the time I see the blue swallow tiger tail, I think mom knows all the butterflies. I don't. It reminds me my pappy's there. Cause blue is my pappy's favorite color. All the time if you see, okay, like that picture I show you in my childhood, all the two trucks he had, it's all blue. So he loves to wear blue. Like I remember he wear blue jeans, he wear blue flannel, like granddaughter, like grandfather. And wear blue jackets, and you know what I mean, he likes blue. Everything has to be blue. But most of the time, I remember when I was a kid, he usually wear gray, all different types colors. He don't wear blue a lot. He wears all different colors, not, you know what I mean? So yeah, when I see the blue butterfly, it reminds me of my pappy. Remind me of him, he's right there with me. And you could tell with something wrong with me. That means I'm fine, I'm okay. It's just I just miss him a lot, that's all. Oh my gosh, that means next year would be my pappy's. He's 83? I think he's 83, 84. So I think he would be. Yeah, I think he's 84. So I think he would be 85. Yeah, he's up there. My pappy's up there. He would be like almost a hit 100. If my pappy was still alive, guys, I would take my pappy at birthday dinner for him. Because he knows his best granddaughter, I would do that for him. Now it hurts, like my pappy's not there, I can't sing happy birthday with him and we're a person. And that's what hurts me. And then what hurts me the most, now he's not there saying happy birthday to me like he usually do. Why? All the time I remember he tells the waitress it's my granddaughter's birthday, so they sing happy birthday to me, and I miss that. Now my aunt has to do it. Does it make me mad she does it now? Yes. She's not supposed to do that. That's my pappy's job. It's not her job. That's his job to do it. I wish I could walk out and just pretend it didn't happen. And she knew I get so irritated, and she knew I get so mad about it. Nope, she don't care. My aunt don't even care. My grandma said she does care. No, she don't. She don't show it. I love my aunt, I do, but sometimes she knew she makes me mad. She makes me mad, and I get very angry of it. It's not right she do it, because that's my pappy's job to say happy birthday to me. That's not her job. I let pappy do it. Why? If she don't realize, my pappy and I are close, and him and I are buddies, and him and I are very best friends since I was a little baby. And I got the thoughts. I'm not. I think about my boyfriend, and I dream about him too, and I love him. It's just, I get those days, guys, you know, you get those phrases, like, what, Christmas almost around the corner, and it just, it hurts my gut is, he's not there to celebrate Christmas anymore. I get those thoughts sometimes. Yeah, it's just I'm okay, I'm alright, and that's why you notice I'm so quiet. I'm sorry, I don't mean to, it's just when you miss your best friend, your best grandfather you ever had, it really hurts. It really does. And then they just, my mom and just only my mom knows how I felt. Not my dad, not my grandmother, and not my aunt because they don't care. I tried my best to tell them, but that's all I could do, try my best. And I tell my boyfriend how I felt, he's understand me. And that's why I love him, and thank God I have him in my life. And don't worry, yes, I believe God, I love Jesus too. I don't hate him, it's just, you get those phrases, go through a lot of darkness. That's what I go through right now. One day I will be happy, other day I don't. One day I'll feel down. One other day I'm not myself. And I always tell my boyfriend that it's okay. Your girlfriend will be. I tell him, don't worry, I will be alright. I get those days when I feel like don't talking. I wish I hope one day my dad and everybody understand where I come from and how I felt, how my feelings get hurt very easily. And believe me, guys, I'm from a town slash country. Well, it is country, but my area is town. Like, where I come from, say, if someone mess with me, don't. I'm just like my aunt, guys. My aunt Kathy, my best aunt. If you mess with me, you'll see what's gonna happen. But don't worry, I'm not that mean. I don't know. If someone mess with me, guys, I will whoop at people's butt. No joke. Say I am a half North and I have a middle inside of me. So I am half blood North and I'm half blood Miller. Yeah, you know what I mean. My last name starts with the M, and I hate it. Why? I always hate my last name. Because everybody had the same last name I do. And they have the same my name. I'm like, okay, and when someone says Kayla, I'm like, which Kayla? This Kayla or the other Kayla? It is so confusing. I remember I used to work the other dump up the mountain. There's a cashier named Kayla. when someone says, "Okay, Kayla, go take a bite," I'm like, "Which Kayla though?" There's two Kaylas. And her name is spelled the same way like how my name's spelled. Oh, I wish I could have a different name. Well, than Kayla's. Don't get wrong, I like it, but. And let you know, yes, my name's from the TV show, so that's why. I don't know why mom chose my name like that, but. Back in the 90s, that's how it was back then. You know? What are you getting into now, Pumpkin Doodles? I'm gonna stop right to here today. Yeah, I'm gonna stop right here today. Hi guys. Well, I will see you. Now I'll try this again. I will see you my sixth one. So I'll see you then.